My favourite eye cream I've ever tried. It's become my favourite eye cream.
Everything you want in an eye cream, really. I often use eye creams anyway because I'm of an age now where you get fine lines and everything. And yes, most of them are much of a muchness. Some of them are a bit too thick for my skin, but this one's perfect. It sinks in straight away, doesn't feel heavy, doesn't make me feel like it's making my eyes puffy. I believe that it's helped the skin tone and helped the dark circles and definitely has rejuvenated my eye area, which is great. Everything you want in an eye cream, really. It goes on really lightly, sinks in very well. I didn't need concealer when I wore this, so I did put foundation over it and it was just perfect. It's great.
I really love this eye cream. It is actually amazing. My eyes are so much brighter and they feel depuffed. The texture is insane. It's almost like it smooths it straight away. It's really moisturizing as well, and I have really dry skin, so that's great. So my under eyes feel a lot brighter. It's depuffed and really moisturized, I would say.
I'm an absolute sucker for an eye cream. Every time we launch a new one, I have to try it. So I was so excited to get the opportunity to try the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. The best part about this eye cream is the texture. It's just such a nourishing, rich gel. When you put it on, it's almost like a little pillow under your eyes. It feels super soft, just glides on, no pulling, none of that in that area. It's just so nourishing, hydrating, and you can see like all the fine lines and that area are softened and super hydrated.
So I had the serum and the eye gel cream, and I must say I love the serum, but I absolutely fell in love with the eye cream. I think it's one of the best eye creams I've used so far. I love its texture, it's really lightweight and it feels so amazing on the skin. It absorbs very quick. After the first week, I've noticed big improvements, so it worked very well on the puffiness, on the dark circles around my eyes. In the morning, my eyes just feel more rested and it's just a better, healthier feeling to it, to be honest. What threw me most is the texture. It's absolutely amazing. It's like jelly that just absorbs and it's like taking everything that's bad and takes it away. It was really, really good. I loved it, every single thing about it. I think it's become my favorite eye cream.